Recording? Dude,
you guys aren't AZM like me. You can't just.
Dude, punch me in the nuts!
Oh shit, hold on. Get in.
Get in there, bitch!
Get in.
He should touch you with a knife. Now flip yourself over.
Oh, dude. I can't move it anyway.
Oh, wait, put it on the webcam.
Oh, you go. Oh, shit. This hurts my neck. Where's my dog going to sleep?
Try opening it.
Hold on. Oh.
Yeah, let him saw it from there. Let him saw it from there.
Oh my god, dude. It's so
Dude,
awesome.
we bent the cage.
Oh, you did, Andrew.
You broke it. What are you talking about?
You did. Watch out. Come here, boy. It's making me.
Snap the dogs in there.
You know, he peed in there earlier.
Look at that sexy man.
Your turn, Andrew.
What? Wait, I thought we were gonna save it now and then send it to him.
Oh my god.